Hey everybody, I want to diagnose a sound. I'm hoping to put this out there and help somebody and also help myself and figure out what this noise is. Quick backstory, I did the power steering rack on this truck, and in doing so, Toyota was so wonderful in engineering it that they put the bolts that mount the power steering rack such that one of them goes up into the engine. In order to remove it, you have to either move the engine out of the way or move the air conditioner compressor out of the way. I tried to remove the air conditioning compressor, broke one of the bolts off, drove it with 3 of them in it instead of 4. It was fine. Replaced 2 of the old bolts, the lower ones, because they were corroded and gross, with new ones, and then put the 2 old ones in the top. Ever since, it makes a weird noise, so I'm going to start it, see if I can get it to do it. It does it like right off idle with a little bit of tap of the throttle. Well, while it's spinning up, it's probably not going to do it. So I'll come back when it idles down. I'm back. I think I got it up to temperature now, so I'm going to tap the throttle. It'll rattle. I believe I've got it narrowed down to the air conditioning compressor. I don't know why it's doing that, because there's 4 bolts that hold it on and they're tight. So maybe one of my bearings is bad. Hopefully y'all can tell me. I'll listen to it back and see if you can hear that.